Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Klover how to get cash advance. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Klover is a mobile application that provides cash advances of up to $200 without credit checks, interest charges or late fees. To access a cash advance through Klover, first what you need to do is head over and open up your app store. Then on the search bar, simply type in Klover and look for an app icon like this on your search list. Then simply tap on it. Now once you are here, tap on the get button and follow the on-screen prompts to successfully download the app. Now once downloaded, what you need to do is tap on open and then log into your account if you already have an account, or simply sign up and link your bank account. Then link your active checking account and debit card. Klover requires at least 3 deposits from the same employer within the last 60 days to qualify for advances. Once eligible, you can request a cash advance ranging from $5 to $200. The amount may vary based on your account activity and participation in Klover's points program. Then choose between standard delivery, which is free but may take up to 3 business days, or express delivery for a fee which provides funds within hours. Repayments are automatically withdrawn from your linked account on your next payday or 7 days after the advance, depending on your agreement with the Klover. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.